All right, guys, this thing is sick. It's the first Stark Varg we've gotten here at AOMC. So special thanks to AOMC for sponsoring this video and all of these Stark videos. So right here on top of the seat, when I took the top off, there was a box. In the box was the handlebars with the throttle assembly and this button over here already on it. That's pretty cool because a lot of other manufacturers, they just leave their bars dangling here. And it's I don't know, it wasn't as clean as this, so I really like this look. Also in the box, we have the Stark Varg smartphone. Let's take a look at that right now. Stark Future. From what I understand, this is just an Android phone. It does have a few cameras on it there. You know, it's going to be USB-C charging. I'm going to go ahead and get that thing charging now. I'm not going to lay it on the bike and drop it. And we've got the instruction manual there, which I'll be taking home to read. What's that, like a SIM card remover or something that I just dropped? And a nice kind of like Apple style USB A to C cord right here. So let's get that phone on charge, and I'm going to figure out what steps I need to do to actually get the bike on charge. This is exciting.